Today we crochet this hollowed-out bow hair decoration. It is mainly composed of chain stitch and double crochet. We need 3.0 millimeters as crochet. Alright, let's get started. Wrap a thread around your hand like this. Grab it with your fingers. Wind the thread around your hook like this. Winding line. Pull it. Winding line. Pull it. Repeat crochet 60 times. Connect the head and tail together. 1 ship stitch. 5 chain stitch. Skip 2. 1 double crochet. 2 chain stitch. Skip 2. 1 double crochet. Repeat to the end. One ship stitch and 5 chain stitch. Repeat the previous crochet from lap to lap 5. Fasten off and leave long end for sewing. "47 chain stitch crocheted in the same way. Count back 8 stitch. One double crochet. Two chain stitch. Skip 2. One double crochet. Two chain stitch. Skip 2. One double crochet. Repeat to the end. Five chain stitch. Turn. Repeat the above crochet from lap to lap 5. Fasten off and leave in end. Five chain stitch. The penultimate stitch. One single crochet. And then 3 single crochet. One chain stitch. Turn. For single crochet. One chain stitch. Then repeat it 13 times. A total of 15 laps. Fasten off and leave long end for sewing. Tie it up like this. Tidy it up and it becomes a bow. And tie the other one together. Sew the rubber band and the bow together. Cut off the excess line. It's done. It's simple and good looking. So go and try it. See you next time. Bye-bye.